Guys, hello and welcome to the Liberian TV Network. Today is February 7, 2025, and we are right here at the Concordant Park. We're trying to bring you the view of this place. If you are following us from any part of the world, I want to say good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm Princess KD Couple coming to you live. You can like, share, and comment on our Facebook and YouTube channel. So today is World International Women Day, and this day has been celebrated globally. So Liberia has well been one of the countries in the world is actually observing the celebration of the World International Day. And as you can see, we are trying to see how best we can actually make our way to that celebration point wherein the celebration is currently ongoing. But as it stands, celebration is currently being taking place, and a lot of things are happening across Liberia with regards to trading issues. So normally today is Friday, and Friday is basically meant for relaxation after work. Maybe, yeah, Friday is like a half-hour day working from in the morning to like 1 or 2 o'clock, and then the office definitely close. People go to get on their daily activities. So it is currently happening, and unfortunately today Friday, we are broke, and then we will actually be able to meet with some social obligation. Yeah, Friday is definitely meant for some social obligation after from Monday to Thursday, where we bring you all of the major happenings with regards to what is happening. And sometimes just sometimes you're surprised. Guys, you can take days to get a soft drink. Oh yeah, and you can buy a soft drink. Yeah, some of us can drink soft drink, and some of us can drink drinks. So, but it is just meant for fun. But let's just provide some details with regards to what is happening in the country. Since today is Friday, and today the broadcast won't be meant because a lot of things are not happening. But what happened here is Supreme Court has put on a prohibition on the case involving Weah and 4 other persons. What is happening, we don't know. Of recent, there was a prohibition that was also placed on that. Even went for like 6 months, and again they came back for the case to go on. But then Supreme Court has placed on that prohibition. Many are saying that what the Supreme Court is doing, it is really impeding the work of the citizen. By now, many are expecting judgment. According to what they are saying, they said they are expecting judgment from the Supreme Court. If someone is being guilty, or someone is being indicted, or someone is being free from the process, it is time for the Supreme Court to actually let people know according to citizen. But then prohibition have been held, and yesterday also another prohibition was also held. The in-battle speaker Jefanatikova filed a bill of information at the Supreme Court, and from all indication, so the working of the speaker have been held. Currently, the majority black speaker, Honorable Richard Cohn, working has been actually held. So he will no longer be working in the capacity as speaker until the court can come up with ruling. But yeah, so when this incident occurred, just to provide some overview, Honorable Fonatikova said he is a man of rule of law, and a lot of things were said, and he stand by his word. According to him, he would resign if the court says he should. If the court says what went on was right or wrong, definitely whatever the court says, that's what he's going to do to resign. But as long as I live with him, he will resign. So these were some statements coming from Jefanatikova. And in the process, the Capitol building got on fire, wherein the police refers to that the arson attack on the Capitol building. And as we speak, some individuals have been arrested. Some of them are currently being remanded at the Monrovia prison, awaiting proper investigation. In the process, we also hear experts coming from the United States of America to actually provide details with regards to what happened, and they provided their own opinion that yes, indeed, the fire actually didn't just caught by itself. The fire, someone actually placed the fire. It was not an electrical shock, neither something actually got burned or something else happened, but it was him that did it intentionally. So these were some statements coming from the fire expert that came from the U.S. And also in our weekly edition, just to let you know, the case, this corruption allegation that Martin Colley has raised regarding Mo Ali is still ongoing. Martin still coming up with some document, and Mo Ali kept saying that No, he wasn't involved into that. In fact, the money was used for that purpose, and he has said a lot of things. In this week edition as well, a group of citizens, came under the umbrella from District Number 10, saying that they want to petition the House of Representatives to actually impeach Honorable Yekeh Kolubah. So it's also ongoing. And then you have Honorable Safoko from District Number 9 as well. A few group of citizens yesterday came under the emblem to saying that he needs to be impeached, and they have started the process. So a lot of things is happening. And also at the House of Senate, not the House of Senate per se, but the representative, the Liberian representative has actually ruled the ECOWAS Parliament, recalling tele government officials, saying that their operation at the ECOWAS Parliament is illegal. It's not really in line with the Liberian government, so they should be recalled. So there was a serious debate at the ECOWAS Parliament. Some were saying that no, the guys cannot be recalled. Some were saying that they should be recalled. And then the argument is still ongoing, but you have one of the doings who have stayed very long in the ECOWAS Parliament and in the House of Parliament in Liberia, Honorable Edwin Melvin Snow. I came out with there and said it is a regional issue. The guys were actually voted upon by their colleagues to serve in a tenure position. Henceforth, they cannot resign until 2028 reaches, so they should forget about it. But the debate is still ongoing. Let's wait and see as to what happened. But with the fact that one of the experts in the doing from the ECOWAS Parliament can be providing his accession, what happens? We don't know whether they will definitely resign or not, or what will definitely happen. And in this week edition as well, Madam Ellen Johnson-Sirleaf, former President of the Republic of Liberia, gave her a session about the Liberia security, the legislature and the court, saying that they are actually impeding the peace and democracy of Liberia, which could lead to something else, especially the security forces. So these things are something that is really concerning that the government need to look at as well. And this week edition, President Weah actually signed what to say regarding the asset recovery team. There was some amendment made that 145 portion of that was actually signed, and then there was some adjustments. So President Weah is currently doing that. And then in a high competition case involving I'm done with the Liberia Anti-Corruption Commissioner Executive Chairperson Councillor Elizana Zo has underscored the urgent need for the establishment of anti-corruption court in Liberia. So this is welcome. If this happens, definitely it means that Liberia is going forward. And during an assessment consultation meeting get on our ways in Monrovia, stakeholders get to discuss critical national nutrition issues. So this is also concerning office of former President Weah identified with Muslim. So we are in the period of Ramadan, just to let you know. So what President Weah is doing is actually in line, and we want to say happy Ramadan to all of our Ramadan brothers and sisters who are actually observing the day. And woman arrested for allegedly crushing her fiancé testicles. In our Liberian language is really that kind of way, but she is Ruth Tier, 20 years old Liberian woman, and that was done according to information I think Ganta. So current investigation is ongoing, but then let's wait and see as to what the outcome will definitely be like. And one of the government agencies, the Ombudsman, has placed on a curious a vehement statement saying that there is a need for government property to actually be taken care of, and so many things. Again, if you are following us from any part of the world, want to say good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm Princess K. Dikabok coming to you live. You can like, share, and comment on our Facebook and YouTube channel. And in this week edition as well, the police, there was a serious brutality among police or among security forces as well. And motorcyclists actually petitioned the government of Liberia to uplift the ban. And they are also saying that if the government cannot listen to them, definitely they will get into the street Monday again to see how best they can actually notify the government with regards to that petition. And this is what's happening. When also Doug Cooper, who currently serves as the Commerce Inspector General of the Republic of Liberia, his degree has been revoked. He was involved into corruption allegation wherein he fraud someone else's name, someone else's ID card name, and he was using it. And the University of Liberia has actually referred to a personal nogata. So these are major things happening in our country as well. And then, currently the House of Parliament, to be Pacific representative, they are currently investigating Honorable Yekeh Kolubah. The majority bloc are investigating him with regards to a complaint that was filed by one of the representatives saying that Honorable Yekeh Kolubah is making the House of Parliament, especially the representative, toxic, wherein people are no longer having respect for the lawmakers. So investigation is ongoing. Not wait and see as to what outcome or how the investigation is going to be like, but these are some major things happening. And Honorable Yekeh Kolubah said he will not give credence to that investigation no matter what comes from next. And Nimba County to have a senatorial by-election in April. And by CMC, the Citizen Movement for Change, Musa Hassan Beneted movement, said they are going to put out, they're going to put out a candidate for the election. So far so good. These are some major editions for the week that we have for you. We want to say thank you for following this platform. You can like, share, and comment on our Facebook and YouTube channel. I'm Princess Katie Cooper. Thank you so much. Goodbye.